Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today I'm sharing an unboxing of Spellbinders All Aboard Christmas kit. And let me tell you, this kit is jam-packed full. So many products included. There's the information card, and on the back side there's instructions how to create this adorable, wonderful card with a little train. So here's a little peek of everything that's included, but we'll go through all of it. Starting with the cardstock. There are 16 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. Tons of cardstock. This is amazing. So we have a green, light blue, pink, white, red. There's a charcoal, which is really pretty coral pink color. A cream. There's another green. It's a different shade. Dark blue. There's a black. Trying to get them all straight here and fit them on the screen. There's a very light gray. There's a specialty gold mirror. There's a burgundy. There's also specialty silver mirror, and then another green, and that's a different shade from the other two greens. There are also 2 sheets of glitter cardstock, so I'm not going to take them out of the plastic. There's red and also gold. They're so sparkly. There's a full 6x6 paper pad. These are all single-sided designs, and there's 20 different designs and 2 of each sheet. So you get a total of 40 sheets of beautiful pattern paper. Some of the pattern papers do have a lovely foil finish, so that's really fun. This poinsettia paper has that gold foil, and also this sheet with the little candies. So many different patterns and a really lovely assortment. I think this collection has a really nice balance with those busy designs and then also some tone-on-tone patterns. So it'll be easy to mix and match the patterns on a card. And if you've watched my videos before, you know I'm all about using pattern paper. There's another beautiful design with some berries. There's one with that gold finish, and then we're back to the beginning where it's repeating. Spellbinders kits always include a little sheet of foam squares, but this kit has 2, so that's really nice. And there's also the roll of adhesive tape. So this is just a double-sided tape. There's a lovely bag of red sequins. One of them has more of a matte finish and the other is glossy. This little package contains gift tags, and these are so cute. It has the twine and the tags, and I will lay them all out and show them toward the end of the video. There's this beautiful sheet of gemstones. These are so sparkly, and I love how there's 3 different sizes for each color. Next we have the stamp set, and these are all sentiments except for the little bow and the snowflake. And you can mix and match some of those smaller sentiments with the large words. Next we have the chipboard embellishments. There's 2 sheets. They have that lovely foil detail on most of them. So you have some sentiments and a few icons and other little bits. There's a fun sheet of glitter foam stickers. So I don't know if you can see that really sparkly glitter. And they do have a little bit of dimension, but they're not super thick. There's also a sheet of glitter stickers. Now these don't have that foam dimension. They're flat, but they do have that lovely glitter sparkle. Lots of stars and sentiments. The next item is a gold glitter foam alphabet. So lots of letters. There's also numbers and punctuation. And these are foam, so they do have that little bit of dimension. And since this is such a large kit, Spellbinders included 25 card bases and 25 envelopes. So these are all American Standard A2 size. And you can't tell in the video, but the card bases have a fun linen texture on them. So even if you don't want to use them for card bases, you could use them for the backgrounds of your cards. Next item is the die set, and this one is so cute. On the information sheet where it showed the directions how to create a card, they use this little train set, so it is adorable. So it has the little train, there's presents, there's the little bow, there's a tree, and there's also an ornament. You could use several of the images on their own, or you could combine them all together as shown in that sample card. And I think most of those would work year-round. It wouldn't necessarily have to be a Christmas card. The final 2 items that are included in the kit are the die cut packs. So one is just the regular die cut shapes, and the other is a floral die cut pack. And I will spread all of those out so you can get a look at everything that's included. First up, we have the floral die cuts. Now there's only one of each piece, but lots of beautiful florals and leaves, and some of those pieces they used gold mirror cardstock. Here are the die cut shapes. There are 2 of every piece, lots of sentiments and beautiful icons. The final set are the gift tags, and these have a beautiful gold glitter finish on them, and you'll also get that roll of twine. Now here's another look at Spellbinders All Aboard Christmas Kit. This kit is packed full of products, so if you need to make a bunch of Christmas cards, this kit would be perfect. I will have links provided in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this kit. This is the first Christmas Spellbinders kit I've used, so I'm not sure how quickly these sell out every year. I can imagine it goes fast with all of the product that's included. So I would suggest not waiting if you are interested. Coming very soon, I will be sharing my cards using this amazing kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.